Namaskara. Welcome to Ahara Arogya Adhyatma, the light of Samskara. Today we have Dr. Prasad. He is the director of STM Institutions of Ayurveda in Hassan, Bengaluru, Chikmagaluru, then Udupi, and many other places. And all over the Karnataka, they are spreading the good, healthy lifestyle. And we welcome him on the Dhantrayodashi.
Namaste, madam.
So, sir, welcome to you.
Thank you.
And Dhantrayodashi means the birthday or Jayanti of Dhanvantri himself.
Yeah.
So, please tell us how Dhanvantri was born and what is the story? Please tell us, sir.
The mythological story goes like this, madam. That is the Sharad Rutu and Krishna Paksha, 13th day. The Dhanvantari in the hands with the hands Amrita Kalasha is emerged during the Samudra churning, that is the churning of the ocean.
Okay.
By the positive and negative energy. It's called Deva and
Deva
Danavas.
Danava.
Yeah. And during that, the poison, hala hala, we call it
Hala
hala hala.
came.
That comes, and finally different wealth will come, and at last, Dhanvantari comes with the Amrita. So Amrita, we say Amrita Kalasha. And that is a symbolic, actually in the meaning in Ayurveda, Amrita means Ambara Piyusha. It is called Ambara Piyusha. Ambara Piyusha is oxygen, Amlajanaka. So that is the nectar, that is the life for individual.
Sir, this
so God has
Pranavayu, the Pranavayu or Amlajanaka is different. It is much more than oxygen. Oxygen is only a gas, but this Pranavayu, it gives prana to one's self. It is much more than that. Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is a mythological history. But what we understand in Ayurveda text, some people has done research. One of the professor called Jyotir Mitra from Banaras University, he published a book in which he explains is the sages, they sat together when more and more diseases has prevailing. So they discussed, and after discussion they come out with a solution, right? And that is the manthana of the rishis. And it has nectar form, and Dhanvantari is one among who has they brought Ayurveda to this world.
So the Ayurveda is the fifth Veda. So Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, Atharva Veda, and the last one is the Ayurveda, which is very much essential for us to be very healthy and wealthy and happy. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this also people say that there was a king called Divodasa Dhanvantari. He was the king of Kashi. Who was the guru of Sushruta, the father of surgery. And he included one frostbite. When he was writing this Samhita, it was Dhanvantari Samhita, written in Uttarakashi. Uttarakashi, at that time, it was very cold area and frostbite was common. So at that time only the frostbite was very in practice. Yeah.
So that's how it is. It is almost like a nectar and giving the health. So now when we start the Deepavali, so this is the financial year day starts from here. So this is the Dhan Trayodashi, Dhan also. So we say that the greatest treasure is our health. So apart from that, the health also is very important. So if health is lost, something is lost. It's not that. Wealth is lost, something is lost. But if health is lost, everything is lost. So please tell us, the people waste their time in buying the things and all sorts of things, but not bothering about their health. So in the real Dhantrayodashi, what they should do, you please tell us, sir.
It's very, very simple. We can bring or buy the materials, but we cannot buy the health.
The health.
Health has to be developed by the self. So this is the message, Indian message is to the Deepavali. During Deepavali, the first day is Dhantaresa or
Yes,
Dhanvantari Jayanti. That
yes.
is a message to improve our health, because
Hmm.
this starts, Deepavali starts, winter starts from Deepavali and ends
Hmm.
in Shivratri. So
Yes.
between this period, the health, the hazard,
Illnesses are more.
illnesses are very
Yeah,
common.
like cold,
To
cough, and
Yeah,
pneumonia, and all the diseases are more. Yes.
and to improve our body immunity. So Dhanvantari Jayanti is celebrated from that day onwards. No, we concern about our food, what we take. We
Yes.
take care of our body during Abhyanga during Deepavali, and it
Yes.
is not only for that day. We have to continue it
The
throughout
whole,
the
yeah.
year
Yes. Yes.
and
Yes.
improve our health and
Yeah.
improve our body immunity. That is the
Hmm.
message of Dhanvantari Jayanti. And
Correct.
Government of India has taken this forward by announcing the National Ayurveda Day on Dhanvantari Trayodashi. For last
Oh,
all 10 National Ayurveda Day was being celebrated on Dhanvantari Trayodashi. For
wow. Huh.
comfort of the globe,
Hmm.
now it was
The health
redesignated.
and wealth and prosperity of the whole world. Yes.
Yeah. So now it is celebrated on 23rd of September,
Hmm.
because that day is no day and night are equal.
Equal.
So
Okay.
equilibrium. So that's the concept of Ayurveda. So
Okay.
that 23rd September is celebrated now as National Ayurveda Day, madam.
Yes, yes, yes. I remember, on Dhantrayodashi Day, you invited me and you honored me with the Ayur Ratna award, And apart
Yeah.
from that, you got the blessings and the special darshan of Hasanamba also. And
Yeah.
I think people should realize that the health is very, very important. And we start everything. It is not just the Amrita or just the Lakshmi that comes or just worshiping the money, it is the health. And today I see that in the Hassan and in and around,
Yeah.
many youngsters are dying suddenly with a sudden death. And that is much more. And probably I think the younger generation should realize the significance of Dhantrayodashi and the importance of lifestyle modification. And as you said, one of your patient who has the rid of insulin, that is because of the food habits. So please tell us about the food habits, sir, because when I came to your hospital, there was so much of food exhibition, very nutritious and very, nice food. Please tell about
Yeah.
that, sir. Patya.
In our facility, no, we give more importance
Mhm.
for the food than the
Mm.
medicine.
Mm.
Uh, Medicine also important, but food is very important. And
Yes,
what we
Patya.
suggest is
Mm. Mm.
sattvic ahar. In
Ha.
sattvic ahar, mostly the vegetables and
Mm.
the
Mm.
pulses, fruits.
Mm.
This
Mm.
we suggest them to take adequate.
Yes.
We simply say the patients that one third of the stomach you fill with the solid food, one third of your stomach you fill with the liquid foods, and one third you keep empty so that
Yes,
it
correct,
facilitates
correct,
the digestion.
correct,
So food has been given high importance in Ayurveda.
correct,
People say
correct.
patye sati kimaushadam nishevanam.
Wow.
So if we are in the patya,
Mm.
then patya means
Mm.
uh, the channels we have in the body, the different channels, so
Mm.
which can pass easily in the channels, which does
Mm.
not give any residues in the channels, which
Yes.
do not obstruct. Such things are food is called as patya. So
Okay.
this has to be practiced by every individual so
Correct.
that they can
And
prevent the disorders.
throughout their life, it is not just
Correct.
one day on
Yeah,
Dhantrayodashi,
yeah,
throughout the
yeah,
life.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
And
madam.
that's why in Hindi it is said, Jaisa man, Vaisa tan. So that means
Correct.
if you want a healthy body, you have to have the healthy mind. To have the healthy mind, you have to eat the healthy food. So that is what Ayurveda also tells. And even now, today, allopathy, the scientifically they have proved eating lots of vegetables, the fiber content will be there, the micronutrients will be there, heart attack will be less by 28%, and by eating more fruits, they'll have the more antioxidants, and the heart attack will come down by 32%. And apart from the food habits, the bad habits must be kept away. So the negativity, the Rakshasa pravritti must be kept away, so that your mind and the body are not destroyed. So all the youngsters who are dying untimely death in and around Hasan or in Karnataka, they must realize that this Dhan Trayodashi is very special, and they must take the what to say, like benefit of the institutions like SDM is having all over the state, and
Great.
the people should realize that this Ayurveda is meant for maintaining the health rather than treating when you fall ill. So, in a Chinese proverb, it is said, the mediocre doctors treat when it is the disease is very much out of control, almost dying, and ordinary doctor treats when the disease is there, and extraordinary, a brilliant good doctor is the one who prevents the disease. So I think all the Ayurvedic doctors, as a Dhanvantri Putra or Putri, they are spreading the health and happiness and prosperity. So on this auspicious Dhan Trayodashi Day, what is the piece of advice you would like to give to the younger generation, sir?
Very simple, madam.
Hmm.
People these days, everybody feel I,
Hmm.
no?
Yeah,
So we should remove that I. I
I,
will lead for illness. We should
illness,
feel right we, and we will lead for wellness. So
wellness.
every individual needs wellness, and they should get rid of illness. So they should get rid of I, and they should inclusive. They should think inclusive of we, which leads for wellness.
Yes,
So this Dhanvantari Trayodashi, let us practice good food and good practices like good walking and in the
yoga, Surya Namaskara,
Surya
dhyana.
Namaskara. Yeah.
Hmm.
And especially one simple, Deepavali, everybody takes oil bath. So
Yes,
oil bath has much benefits.
yes,
Abhyange acharet nityam, pratinityam, sa jara. We can prevent the aging
hmm.
and we'll have good sleep. Mainly we'll have good skin. So
Yes,
if we have good skin, we can prevent many of the disorders. So let us
yeah.
practice what is given to us by our ancestors to promote our health. That's what the message I would like to give to common people through you, madam.
Very, very, very beautifully said. In fact, in your facility, the treatment is just adjacent to the room, and the
Yeah.
oil bath that was given, I was shining for almost one whole month. So I can vouch on whatever you are saying. So oil bath is very good, and that too, the coconut oil, it is antiseptic, and the mosquito bite and everything can be prevented. And whatever we are having our traditions, they're all scientific, and it is for the benefit and the wellness of the society. So let us both together wish all our viewers that very happy, prosperous, healthy Dhan Trayodashi, and God bless all. Dhanyavad, sir.
Thank you, madam. Dhanyawad. Thank you.
Namaskar.